Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Jorginho will be one of the players of Arsenal. So Baba said come outside. God they talk say they don't learn from the mistakes where they make from last season's collapse. So Baba they talk say this time around, I say Arsenal players they mentally stable. Then they very focused on the title race. Unlike last season where they inexperienced, they never really chase their Man City or maybe become chased. So now part of the things really affect them. Yesterday, we all those Jamie Carragher, Gary Neville, they talk say Arsenal lose the team because of lack of experience. But this time around, you cannot come out and say we don't have experience because this thing where they happen now, 14 games to go, we don't experience them before. Just say the reverse is the case. Last season we were the ones where people they chase, where Man City can't catch us, overtake us. But this time around, now we they chase Man City and Liverpool. So now so it just be now. So there will be nothing like complacency or say maybe the boys don't know what they do. Everybody they fit and everybody they gingered up and motivated. But just they count each game one by one and see where the team will carry us till the end of the season. You see this Premier League where you see so like waiting Gary Neville talk in the past. If Arteta fits come in between Jurgen Klopp and Pep Guardiola, come carry this league, it will be a momentous achievement because Arteta is going against two giants in world football, in Liverpool and Man City. You know they very easy, but we'll just watch. Alright, away from that, so the Premier League come outside for Twitter when they post some statistics about Gabriel Magalhaes. So they call the talk say there is no defender we don't score more EPL goals than Gabriel Magalhaes, 14 goals we don't score since he joined Arsenal in 2020 September. You see for the Twitter post, they can't even post all the goals 1 to 14. Some of them, the majority of them are head, like just maybe 1 or 2 in use leg score. That guy is a menace in that center, in that box 18. The guy really good, and I just be happy for Nicolas Jova will come unlock in potential because that potential don't did there. Because as long as you are big, aggressive, you are a threat when it comes to set pieces. So I just be very happy. So what it remain as Saliba, make Saliba start to emulate Gabriel Magalhaes because they are almost the same height. If Saliba is not even tall herself, just say Saliba no get that aggressiveness where Gabriel Magalhaes gets to take bully off people and not the ball at the back of the net. So like great achievement. Say no defender for the EPL don't score passer since that time we enter the league. See now 14 goals. The guy they tried this season. Arsenal have scored at least maybe 19 goals or thereabouts for set piece. It's not easy now. So it is what it is. Alright, so Antonio Conte said come and talk about the Premier League. So Conte come to talk say City, that's Man City, and Pep Guardiola, they are the best teams in the world. They are the best team in the world. So it will be very difficult to compete with them. Say how can you compete with them? Because these are people who say that they invest every season. So it will be very hard to catch up with them. So if you don't get that owner, we will really support you in the markets to actually bring the talents where you need to do your job. You go dey very look at no be just of recent they go buy this Gavid oil. How much they pay? Look at the kind of money we see today. Say they can spend 100 million on the player go flop, they no go feel am. And no be really only City money based on all the competitions they win, winning the league, winning the Champions League, winning cups, winning club world football. All these competitions we see, they help Man City, they generate revenue. So when you see them, they invest. Most of them are revenue generated, not to talk of endorsements and other things. So nobody say now only owner, then they give City money. Look at Champions League what we did now. We don't qualify for the group stage. That group stage alone fetched us about 66 million pounds. So imagine if we can't come out of round of 16, how much it will fetch us? If we can't come out of round of 8, round of 4, how much it will fetch us? Not to talk of winning the competition itself. So that's what it just be. Now football is very lucrative clubs are generating so much revenue. So like what you come to the talk, saying go like to come back for kind of talk about in coaching. They say he won't come back, but say why come on for Tottenham Hotspur? Say no one they compete for top 4. Say him now coach be saying they used to winning. Say you can if you come here now can't change your style. How can you be celebrating top 4? So it is what it is. And one message why I take away from what Baba they talk now, say to compete against Man City is very, very difficult. Not just Man City, to compete against Man City and Liverpool, and this is something Arteta is doing. Yet some people are not giving him his flowers, giving him the accolades. They get praise him because what Arteta is doing for Arsenal today, Baba, you know easy. Alright, so Football London, come outside and let us know, say Arsenal actually have no plans of letting Kai Havertz go anytime soon. You get, because there's this rumor, say Arsenal will pursue the guy at the end of the season. Many Arsenal fans say, don't talk him before, say make Arsenal send Kai Havertz away, but I'm sorry to burst your bubbles. Kai Havertz is going nowhere. You get, in as much as all things being equal, if everybody they fit, Kai Havertz does not have a place in our first 11. So now like second 11 material, and he's good actually when it comes from the bench. He assists even now when they start in tough games. Like Kai Havertz will be put. If we want to play Man City now, Kai Havertz will spearhead the attack. If we want to play Liverpool, Manchester United, Tottenham Hotspur, Kai Havertz will spearhead the attack because we need his dimension. You're going to look say this guy didn't score, but he's doing some dirty jobs you may not be aware of. He's an unsung hero. You get, so far he has scored about 5 goals, made 1 assist. So the guy don't chip in his own quota. When he scored those goals, he also help us a lot. So it is what it is. So Kai Havertz is going nowhere according to Football London. Arteta is delighted. Not just Arteta and Arsenal are delighted with the player. So let's just see what the future holds. Alright, so the Guardian come outside and let us know, say Arsenal, they're ready to fend off interest in Carlos Cuesta for the summer. Now, with the year saying Norwich and some other clubs waiting for the championship, there's the reason they would like to give Carlos Cuesta a trial. May come bring the Arteta ball, the Arteta philosophy, and in own philosophy join together, carry and come for their own club. But Arsenal, they feel say time never reach for us to lose Carlos Cuesta. We still need the man. Because when time reach, we let him go. But at the end of the day, my own decision. You get, if he talk say it is time for me to go and start my own managerial career, nobody will actually hold that. He done the Arsenal since 2020. You get, how many years Mikel Arteta didn't learn work on that Pep? So now he will get the final say. But one thing they say, the club does not want him to go. Just like what Pep talk, say when Arteta won't go, he himself no wants to make Arteta go. But you can't hold him down. One day he will surely go. So that's why he beat them. Farewell, wish him all the best of luck. Even when Arteta first come out now, the early period where Arteta, the form, we say they finish 5-5-8. Pep, now one of the people come outside and say make Arsenal get patience. Say this guy will turn things around. And look at today. Look at what's happening. He's gotten the right players we want to achieve in football philosophy, and we are reaping the fruits of our labor now. So Fabrizio Romano can come outside and let us know say Real Madrid don't offer Mbappe contract proposal. Say the proposal is for Mbappe hand now, but here are the problems. The salary is lower than the 2022 summer salary where them proposed to him. So that is the bone of contention. But Real Madrid, they tell Mbappe say they don't have that money again. So in short, now Real Madrid hold all the cards now. So you are either joining us with what we are giving you now, or it's not going to happen. Real Madrid not really they in dire need of Mbappe because the position where Mbappe will play, now they Vinicius Junior did. You get. So I don't know why they want upset what them get already. So I don't just know how it will be when he comes. Where will he play? Now be my own first question. Shane will going to play number 9. I don't know how they want to do it. So more just to watch at the end of the day because Arsenal, Liverpool, even though they like the player, they appreciate the player, but them too don't have that financial clout. They cannot break their wage structure to get Mbappe from France to the EPL. But who says Man City cannot break that wage structure and get him? Let's be watching. Alright, so Tomiyasu done the sets for Burnley versus Arsenal match where they will play on Saturday. So I think it's 4 p.m. Nigerian time. So Arteta the ponder, who is he going to use? Is he going to be using a Tomiyasu or using a Jacob Kivior for the attacking number 9? Is he going to be using Trossard again or using Edin Keita? And the question is, or the reason for these questions, now the fact say we get Champions League after this Burnley match. So the first way they come to my mind is will Arteta be resting players because he has one eye on the match that we're going to be playing at the Estádio do Dragão in Portugal. ain't going to get one eye for that match? Or are we going to be seeing a semblance of what we did in the last match against West Ham? We will put all our firepower up front. First half, we give Burnley back. Then second half, when they bring them out small, they add some kind of average surplus to requirements players. Is that what Arteta is going to be doing? Or from the get-go, he will just put all those second players there for second half? They know they do things well. He will come bring the A team. I don't know. So what's your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. So my dear Arsenal lover, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of the screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all last now update as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Game out.